What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Fishing my second Elite 70 event with my buddy Dylan. We're out here on the Chowan. We were practicing yesterday. First time for both of us out here. Place is huge. I mean, it's insane. So we found a couple spots, caught some fish. So hopefully we can just get out here and flip some cypress trees and catch some big ones.
22 pounds.
22, is that our goal?
22.
I like 22. This is so cool. Florida, yeah. 100% feels like Florida, dude. There it is. Oh, baby, let's go. Bronco bug. Bronco.
It might not be a keeper.
Forward. I think it's a keeper. We're gonna do this because I think you're gonna catch a lot of them today.
I think that we're gonna be calling all day long.
Good stuff, buddy. Number one going on. Is it called the Bronco bug?
I think it's, yeah, Bronco bug.
Bronco bug. Fill her up.
Nice. Number one.
Good stuff, buddy. Was he on one of the back trees?
He was on the back side of this tree right here in front of me.
Okay.
It probably was the same fish.
I don't know, because your other one was like up against there,
In the middle,
wasn't it?
Stuff up there.
Gotcha. Oh, there's a bite. Oh, watch out. Dude, same thing. Look at that.
Come on, man. I'm gonna let him really have it.
There
you go.
You got him too? You got bit? Oh yeah, nice. Oh, same exact thing happened to me. That's insane.
Look at it, he took my freaking leg. I don't have any Broncos.
They are in here, boy. Flipping cypress trees. Right? Nice. Under net. Again. That works. Number two, Senko?
Senko. Oh,
yeah, all day.
16.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
Number two, go with it. Good stuff, my friend. Crush. I wonder if this is like a numbers deal where we just
have to run into them.
Just like run into the bigger ones. I feel like that's kind of how it's gonna be.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Because I think we will run into a big one eventually. Oh, there's a bite.
Yeah.
Dropped it. Come on. There he goes. Nope, dropped it again. It's like two little quick bites. It might be a fish. Yep.
Dude, this thing is hitting this thing like.
Can I grab one of those 3-outs?
Yeah.
Wait, in that back
Yeah,
yeah, I was gonna say hop up there. Good. Sorry. Do it. Gotta see him. Come here. Come here. Take your time. Take your time. Come on. That is a big one. Oh my God, dude. Oh, that's a giant. Come on. Pull him this way, right into the neck. Come on. Oh my God. Why does that fish have so much power? Take your time. Oh, yeah. Take your time. Take your time. You got it. You got it. Right here. Ready? Hang on. Oh my. So when you bring him back, it's going. Nope, not yet. Gotta bring it back one more time. Here we go. Yep. In there. That is giant. Dude, let's go. That's a.
I just said a live scope.
You said six pounder. I want to get a 6 pound. Dude, this is a 6 at least. Look at his head.
Dude, that fish had so much power, dude.
That was insane.
It's a 20-pound test.
That was insane. It's the D show today. Let's go. Yeah, this is a 6.
Yeah, every bit of a 6.
Yes. Bronco bug?
No, yeah, Bronco bug, baby. Come on, be a 6.
6.
What is it?
6
Almost a 7. Dude,
6.4. It's 6.14. Yeah.
Dude, that's awesome.
Yes. Sitting down, retying a freaking Senko. Dylan's calling his shots.
The most powerful fish I've ever caught. 100%.
Dude, he was grip and drag like crazy. I'm gonna throw him on the right side because he... Hey guys, sorry for the interruption, but it's time for the boat of the week, sponsored by my friends over at Angler's Choice. So this week we're taking a look at a 2023 Nitro ZV20 Pro. The ZV20 Pro has a 20-foot 2-inch hull. It's obviously a deep V. This is definitely a boat meant for bigger water, or if you've got a bigger family or you want to fish with more than just one or two other people. You've got a lot of motor in the back. It's actually powered by a Mercury 300 horsepower Pro XS, and right beside the big 300 you can see a little kicker off to the side, and that's a 15 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. So taking a look up at the bow, the ZV20 comes with the Lowrance Ghost trolling motor, and as far as electronics go, you have a Lowrance HDS Pro 12 with active target and structure scan, and you also have another Lowrance HDS 12 Pro at the console. So if you guys have any interest at all in this ZV20 Pro, please click that link down in the description below. It'll take you over to Angler's Choice where you can check it out. Also, this boat is going to qualify for one of the promotions Angler's Choice is running right now. Between now and Memorial Day, you can save up to $15,000 off of select 2023 models, and you qualify for a $2,000 Bass Pro Shops gift card. Besides that, the Mercury Repower promo is still going on. And don't forget that all 3 Angler's Choice locations have full service shops, so if you have anything going on with the boat, Angler's Choice is the place to go to take it to get it fixed. Huge thanks to my friends over at Angler's Choice for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back into it. I say we go back down there and fish it for 10 minutes, and if it doesn't work, then we go up, because we'll know quick.
We're not getting bites here.
Yeah, we're not getting bit. Helps if that's in the water. Yep. Not too big. You're good. I think I can just flip him real quick. Yeah, you're right. Go ahead. Get him. There we go.
There we go.
Right. I think it has something to do with this little spot.
Are you gonna weigh him?
Yeah, I got him, dude. Take the front. That I was like, oh, I'm gonna fish the back sides of these.
Yeah, I was about to say we probably should.
Just to see, and that's where you got the big one. Yes, the decent one's probably 2 pounds. Number 4.
Awesome.
Weightless Senko, baby.
Waiting for that. Like, dude,
I needed to get a keeper in here.
I was just like, you're just catching too many fish not to catch a good one.
Do it. Now you need the big boy, the 10-pounder. Let's go run the creek mouth real quick, and then we'll decide, because I think that we'll get something there, at least the limit. And it's right here. Oh, babe. Good? Want the net? Whoop.
I was like, it started rolling, dude.
That was supposed to be a 5-pounder, so we were like, now what do we do? Go on, get,
boy.
Come hop up here for a little. I'm gonna throw a chatterbait on.
Sure.
Take your time, buddy. Which side are you going? Take your time. Oh, is it still on? Oh my bad. Good call on your lipless though. Right there, that like inside turn of the point. Wind blowing all over it.
Yeah, he's a little bit bigger than what I really thought he was. Maybe I should have taken my time a little bit more.
No, dude, I hate crankbait fish for that reason.
I feel like they just come off.
Yeah, me too. There's really absolutely nothing that you did on that. Thing just jumped. It said, see ya.
I thought you caught him.
I did too.
I thought you caught him.
And then I looked up, I thought you still had him on the line. It was like, oh God. Ready? There we go. There we go. There we go. Right after the heartbreak. Yeah. Hey, I would Do you want to like literally just run this again? Because yours was like exactly the same. Yeah. Okay, we got a limit. Now. Yeah, I know. Now we're like, that would have been a great goal. All right. It's going in the big side. Let's just have a smash fest right here. 3 culls. Bite it. Come on, dude, I just got bit again, but it must be small. It has to be small. Got him. Mm-hmm. Small. I don't think he's very big. He might call it though. Let's check. Yeah, I bet you he will, because I think we have one that's like a line burner. He's a 183. So he gets rid of number 1. Small cull. It's a quarter. Oh yeah.
Dang, that's a weird look. That's almost like a spotted bass.
This one? Yeah, his lateral line is like super defined. Goodbye, number 1. Hello. Me, number 1. I agree. Fives. Gotta replace them with 5s. Got him. You're good. I don't know. What do you think? Yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yep. 172 gets rid of number 2. Nice small culls, but I mean we're getting bites, dude. Yeah. Yeah. Sweet. Another small cull. Chatterbait. They're biting it. They're just biting it weird. Like you're not chewing it good. Alright, last cast. Stay or go? Okay. Sounds good. Throw it out. Last one for all the gold. Oh, kidding? That did not look small. Yeah. Oh, come on. What time we got, buddy?
We have 2:33.
And we definitely have to be at 3:15. So we got 45 minutes. We could do some damage in 45 minutes. We caught some good ones too. Yeah, it is though. It is bad. I don't even want to think about it. Last cast. So weigh these mammoth jammas. So Dylan and I weighed in 16:03, which ended us up in 15th place. The winning bag was 21:06, and there were so many 16-pound bags. We were, I believe, 2 places out of the money, and we had the bites to be up in the top 10, had I not missed Dylan's fish that he had hooked on the lipless, yeah, we probably would have been up there. Is what it is. Unfortunately, couldn't pull it together. One thing to note, there were 2 fish over 9 weighed in as big fish, which is awesome. The Chowan definitely has some big fish in it. It's a super fun place to fish. Really reminds me of like a Chickahominy River. The results that we saw was literally from 1 day of pre-fishing and then the tournament. That's the only experience either of us have out there. So between just knowing how to navigate that place and being so much water to begin with, I'm really happy with how we did. So I haven't given you a cost update yet on all the tournaments, but I've got it up right here, and this one definitely was a little expensive. Spent $563 in total for this tournament between gas, oil, North Carolina fishing licenses because you needed to get an inshore and freshwater, and the entry fee, all that good stuff. That brings us to a deficit of $1,930.70. And that's the 9th tournament that I've fished this year. We really need to start winning something. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a thumbs up for me. We'll see you on the next one.